Johnstown ladies football team has had a remarkable season in which they finished top of the league and won the Divisional Cup. Competing in the West Wales Women's and Girls League, they have now achieved promotion to the 3rd tier. Additionally, they won the West Wales Women's and Girls Division A Cup. To cap off an excellent season in their regional divisions, they also reached the last 16 of the Bute Energy Cup and were the lowest ranked team left standing in this national competition.
Ffurfiodd merched hoci teigrod Towi ar gyfer tymor 2024 a 25, a chafon nhw tymor cyntaf hollol ryfeddol gan ennill pob gêm a chael eu coroni'n bencampwyr cyngrair adran 5 De Cymru. Fel pe bai hynny'n ddim yn digon, enillodd y merched gwpan adran 4 a 5 gan threchu'r pencampwyr o'r gyngrair uwchlaw. Maen nhw wedi uno chwaraewyr iau a recrwtiaid newydd ac wedi croesawu merched yn ôl i'r gamp ar ôl seibiannau hir. Mae ei natur gynhwysol yn crynhoi chwaraeon cymunedol ar ei orau.
Wildbow Centurions Cricket Club is a fantastic example of an inclusive and forward-thinking sports club. In their short history, they have achieved tremendous success, including 4 promotions in 5 years within the South Wales Cricket Association. This year, they were promoted yet again and reached the final of the Midweek 100. They achieved maximum batting bonus points, making them fun and exciting to watch. 3 players also achieved representative honours representing South Wales in its centenary game. This is a club that encourages and celebrates diversity in every sense.